Hello students, today I am teaching to you the subject of mathematics, class 7 student, exercise 5b, multiple choice questions. Today I will begin with the question number 10. Let us see the question. 16 raised to the power 2 as a power of 2 is, means how can we write 16 raised to the power 2 in power form having base 2? So there are four options are given. Option A is 2 raised to the power 6, option B is 2 raised to the power 8, and option C is 2 raised to the power 4, option D 2 raised to the power 16. So let us solve this question and find what will be the answer of this question. So we can write 16 raised to the power 2, and we have to write here 2 as a base, and what is the index or exponent or power of the base 2 is equal to in this question. So first of all we have to make here or written the base 16 as the base of 2. So how can we write this? We can write 16 in the form of base 2. So divide, factorize this. 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. So 1 2 3 4. So we can write 16 as base 2 raised to the power 4 in this form. So write this here, 2 raised to the power 4 and its power of 2 also. So now base is equal, so more solve this problem. Base as a 2 and 4 2 ja 8, 4 multiplied 2 we write here, 2 raised to the power x, and 2 raised to the power 4 2 ja 8, and here 2 raised to the power x. So now if base is equal, then we can say that powers are also or must be equal. So here we can write the 16 raised to the power 2 as the base 2 of power 8. So option is B correct. Option B is correct for the given question. Correct solution for the given solution. Now let us see next question. Question number 11. Simplify 2 raised to the power 4 multiply 2 raised to the power 5 within bracket divide by, within bracket we write 2 raised to the power 2 multiply 2 raised to the power 3. Now do this question and find out the correct answer. Now question number 11 is solve. Apply law of exponent here. Because base is same, then power in case of multiplication we can add easily. So we can write 2 raised to the power 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5 divide by again here we can write, because base is same, so we can write 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3. 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3. So now add 2 raised to the power 9 divided by 2 raised to the power 5. In case of division, if base are equal, then power will be subtracted. So 9 minus 5 we can write here, and 9 minus 5 is equal to 2 raised to the power 4, and 2 raised to the power 4 means this will be equal to, write 2 4 times, and this will be equal to 16. So find out which option is correct. The correct option is option number B, 16 answer. Option B, 16 answer will be the correct of the given question. Now let us see next question. Question number 12. Which of the following when simplified is not equal to 27? There are 4 options are given, and we have to simplify all these 4 options and find out which option is having answer 27, or on simplification which option equal to 27. So now let us try this question. Now first of all, solve option number A. See here, all these bases within bracket both exponential form having same base, so we can write in case of multiplication power will be subtracted. So we can write 10 minus 8 divide by 3. Now again solve this. 10 minus 8 means 9 raised to the power 2, and it is again divided by 3. Now again if we solve this, write this 9 as a power of 3, as a base of 3, because here is base 3. So if we write 9 as a base of 3, we can write 9 raised to the 3 raised to the power 2, and its power 2 already given here. So we will divide by 3. We will get 3 raised to the power 4. 3 raised to the power 4 divide by 3 again, and after solving we will get, in case of division, 3 raised to the power 4 minus 1, we will get 3 raised to the power 3. And if we solve this, we will get 3 multiply 3 times means 3 3 is 9, and 9 3 is 27. So unfortunately we will get first option at the first trial is correct. So option A will be the correct answer of this question. Option A will be the correct answer. This. Now we can also try option B, C and D to solve it, whether we will get the solution 27 or not. You can write this option in your homework copy as your homework. Now do question number 17. If 3 raised to the power n is equal to 27, comma, then 3 raised to the power n minus 2 equals to option A 3, B 0, C 1, D 9. Let us find what will be the correct option of this question. So here given 3 raised to the power n equal to 27, This is given for the question, and we have to find here 3 raised to the power n minus 2. What is the solution of this question? So we can write this question, if in power there is a minus, so we can write 3 raised to the power n upon 3 raised to the power 2, and 3 raised to the power n is equal to 27 as we have in the question, and 3 raised to the power 2 means we will get 9, and 9 1 is 9 and 9 3 is 27. So correct answer will be 3 of this question. So 3 is given in option A. Option A is the correct answer of the given question number 13. Now go to the next question, question number 14. Simplify this expression 2 raised to the power 5 multiply with 9 raised to the power 2 and divide, or we can say by 8 raised to the power 2 multiply with 3 raised to the power 5. Now simplify this expression and find out which option will be the correct for this question. Now let us see question number 14. First of all, write all the expression. Try to write all the expression as the common base. So we can write 2 raised to the power 5 as it is, because we cannot again write 2 as another base form, but we can write 9 as 3 raised to the power 2, and again its power 2 already given here. Upon 2 we can write 2 raised to the power 3 and its power 2 already given here, and 3 as the same, because 3 cannot be another base as written. So now simplify 2 raised to the power 5 multiply with 3 raised to the power 2 2 is 4, 2 raised to the power 3 2 is 6, multiply 3 raised to the power 5. See, these two terms having same bases and these two terms also having same base, but these are in division. So according to law of exponent, we can write, if the base is same and the terms are in division, so we can write power will be subtracted in this case. So we can write 5 minus 6 multiply with 3 raised to the power 4 minus 5, and after solving we will get 2 raised to the power minus 1 multiply with 3 raised to the power minus 1, and this is again we can write, if the power is in negative, so we can write 1 upon 2. Here also power is negative, so you can write 1 upon 3, and after solving we will get 1 upon 2 3 is 6. So 1 upon 6 will be the correct answer of this question number 4. 1 upon 4 is given in option A, so option A is the correct answer of this expression. Now let us do some higher order thinking skills problem. Question number 15. Find out the value of minus 2 raised to the power minus 2 and its raised to the power minus 4. Now find out the value of this expression. So let us try this question. 2 power of power means power will be multiplicated. So minus 2 power multiply is minus 2 multiply minus 4, and we will get minus 2 raised to the power minus minus we will get plus, and 2 4 ja 8. So 2 4 ja 8 minus 2 raised to the power 8 is the answer. And if we again evaluate this as the final answer, so if power is even number and the base is a rational number, negative rational number, so the final answer we will get a positive number 2 raised to the power 8. And again if we solve this, we will get 2 multiply 8 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now multiply this numbers. 2 4 ja 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 64, 64 2 ja 128, 128 2 ja 256, and 256 2 ja 512. So 512 will be the correct answer of this problem, question number 15. Now in the same way, question number 16 and 17 we will do as your homework. Okay, thank you.